Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review on my new portable jump starter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. These are definitely handy to have in your vehicle at all times. So as you can see, it comes in this nice hard carrying case. Keep it tucked underneath your car seat or trunk. Check it out. This is like heavy duty. It's got a nice handle for it right there. Got your different options right here. Let's go ahead and actually turn it on so we can check it out. As you can see, it's got a very nice display on there as well as the battery on it. So let's go ahead and actually just start hooking it up and kind of test it out. So one of the cool things about this one, it does have an air compressor. So like I said, they do send you this along with some of the other attachments for it. So let's go ahead and actually just hook it up. Should just be able to turn this on here. All right, there it is. Let's power it back on. Let's just hit power, let's see. Literally ready to go. So if you guys get like a flat tire, or even if it's not even for that, if you want to just like put air in your bike tires or any like basketball, football thing like that, this can do that for you. So they do send you the instruction manual as well as the other attachments for the air compressor. So one of the things that I wanted to point out about the air compressor is if you cycle through some of the options, so as you can see right there, it's got like a bike, it's got like a ball, and then it's got a car, and then like a motorcycle. So like I said, it's got some presets already for the PSI, so that way you just literally hit that option and then hit start and you're ready to go, right? And then if you actually wanted to use the jump starting option, you want to go ahead and remove this piece right here. We'll plug this in just like that. As you can see, it's already flashing. So if you have a dead battery, all you want to do now is go ahead and hook this up to your battery. Mine's not dead at the moment, unfortunately. Sorry about that, guys. I know that's kind of a deal breaker sometimes, but the other cool thing about this is it also has a flashlight, so check this out. Very cool. Different modes on there. So that way if it's late at night and you're trying to see something within your vehicle, you're able to do that and just use this on here as well. And then the last feature that I did want to go over was it also does have a power bank built into it. So here's where you'll actually charge it as well as give juice to any of your phones, iPads, things like that. So let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so we'll actually go ahead and plug something in. So as you can see, the types in is the charger / you can also use that as one, and then the USB will be just an out. So I do like that the USB is both. Plug that in. We'll plug this into our iPad. And there it is, charging right from our portable jump starter. So if you guys are looking for a 4-in-1 portable jump starter, so like it's got the jump starter, the air compressor, portable battery, and the flashlight, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.